Hello everyone, I welcome you all at Infinity Codex, and our today's topic is what is skewness. In this, we are going to study what is the type of skewness, what is the relation of mean, median and mode with skewness, and how to treat skewness. So, before understanding the skewness of the data, let us see the technicality of the normal distribution with a simple analogy. So, let's say you are working in a company which produce pre-teenage drink to increase the height. So, you go to the nearby school to collect the data of heights of the students. So, as you can see, if we plot the data, then the mean, median and mode comes at the center of the distribution. So, this is how a normal distribution is related with the mean, median and mode, where mean, median and mode all are almost equal to each other. Then there is right-skewness, which is also called as positively skewed. So, there is a real estate company which is interested to find the average living area of the house in a specific location. So, they gather the data and plot them, and the thing which they notice is that there are very little number of house which has almost 5,000 to 6,000 square feet area. So, if we see the positively skewed data, we can see the right side of the data or the right side of the distribution is quite flat, which in turn makes the mean greater than median, which is greater than mode. Now, let's talk about the left skewness, which is also called as negatively skewed. So, let's say there is a company who produce drugs which stabilize the blood pressure of patients which are suffering from heart disease. So, they went to the cardiovascular hospital and took the data of various patients, in which they can see there are some patients which has blood pressure till 80. So, you can clearly see that the distribution of the left side is kind of flat, which in turn makes the mean smaller than median, which is more smaller than mode. So, as we saw the type of skewness and the relationship of mean, median and mode with the skewed data. So, why the skewed data is a problem? Specifically, in regression-based model, due to skewed data, the tail part might act as an outlier. Note, regression-based models such as linear regression, logistic regression, etc. assumes that the data which is given to them is normally distributed. Treating skewed data. Treating skewness can be done with one of these techniques: logarithmic transformation, square root transformation, exponential transformation, box-cos transformation, etc. When removing skewness, transformations are attempting to make the data follow the Gaussian distribution. The reason is simply that if the data can be transformed to be statistically close to the Gaussian dataset, then the large set of tools possibly are available to them to use. Tests such as ANOVA, t-test, f-test, etc. can be done. Note, before applying any of these techniques, try to use tree-based model such as decision tree regressor or random forest regressor, because they are prone to skewness and outliers. This is it for this video guys. Thanks, and I will see you at the next lecture.